Take a look at this Kubota L175. We're selling this as it was traded in. We've had to start it, we've had to squirt just a dab of starter fluid in there. But we tested all gears, they all run, all go forward and reverse, and it's got a high and low here. This is your 3-point lift. It works. The rear PTO works. It's on all the time. The shaft for the mower is missing. We have it, it's just rusted solid. So if you're going to use the mower, you'd need a new PTO shaft. The hour meter is showing 1,239 hours. Not sure if that's working or not. I'm sure it's got leaks and little issues here and there. Looks like we may be leaking just a little bit of fuel there. So 50-year-old machine, not perfect, selling as is. If you're interested in this machine, all of our contact details are in the information below. Hey, thanks for watching.